It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, I'm WaterC2 from uklocksport.co.uk. I got 5 unbranded picks sent through the post to me by Dave, aka Scouser Dave, on our UK Locksport forum. The reason you can only see 3 there is because 2 of the other picks were identical to that one. Literally offered them up, so they were literally identical, so there's no point bobbing the other 2 in there to show you. So there's literally 3 picks that I'm going to be using on a few different locks, just there. Like I say, they're unbranded, so like I say Dave, I've not got a clue who made these. I'm going to be opening a bike lock, single pin picking. I'm going to be raking a Solex 50mm padlock, single pin picking a Master 140 padlock. That can be a bit awkward to open sometimes. And I'm going to be single pin picking a Papez CR50. So I'm going to be raking single pin picking. Like I say, there was a small half diamond and a large half diamond, plus 3 rakes, but minus the 2, you've got those. And might I add, Dave, my friend, when I was opening the envelope today, Pick Baby saw it and he's now commissioned them for his toolkit. So Jacob will be sending you a message with lots of smileys on it. Please don't be offended by some of them, he just likes the look of them. So the other interesting fact is that I'm normally a Southard man, pick wise, and that's one of my picks there. As you can see, the Southard brand stamped on it, metal handled, so they're slightly thicker. It's not like a full tang thin running from top sort to bottom handles on there. The unbranded ones, I can offer those up, are exactly the same size. You can get that more or less identical. Difficult angling it at the camera, but they are exactly the same size as the Southard. The issue was they are quite flexible. That's my Southard. Slightly flexible, but because of the extra bit on there. I'll bob that to one side and let's just get started with these. I'll bob the padlocks to one side. That's the bike lock. So I don't know how much time that we're going to have. I'd like to try and explain a bit more with it. So this is the bike lock. I'm going to use the large half diamond on this. Like I say, I'm normally a single pin picking man with hooks. I've used half diamonds and things in the past, but I do actually prefer to use like your short or long hooks. That's gone through there and it's picked the bike lock. So that's the large half diamond of the unknown picks. Put that to one side. Let's have a look at what we're going to have a go at now. Let's have a go at the Solex raking. I'm going to be using again this one of the unknown versions. Raking can be hit and miss, as you all will know. You can be looking at it in one, or you can be swiping away at the lock. I'd say that's a Solex, meant to be quite high security from what I've googled. I beg to differ now and again, even when single pin picking or raking. To the back, slight tension. raked open with the unknown. Let's lock it back up, have another quick rake at that. So they're actually taking a bit of welly, Dave mate. One swipe on that and it went round and popped the lock. Pop the Solex to one side, let's just have a look at that out of interest. So I'd say it's flexible metal, it's not too bad. It's the Master 140, like I say, they can be a bit of a swine now and again. I'm going to be using that almost like a single pin pick. It's a bit tight, that wrench. Might have a couple of issues with this, Dave my friend, because the height of the pick itself, but let's see how we get on. Another try. Got it then. Not too bad, it's picked it. Goes quicker with a short hook, but as you can see that's worked wonders again. So now the Papez, again from what I've googled, it's meant to be a high security lock. It needs light tension this, but I'm going to be using the small half diamond on this one. I think most of the time in this video is picking and mixing and matching. So a small half diamond. Like I say, this is super light tension as I've stressed in other videos. Small half diamond. Let's pick the Papez. Let's give that one more go. It's got it now, I think, yes. So they go, all in all they're not too bad. Like I say, they are a bit flexible. If they were used in the wrong hands you would easily snap and bend these. But thank you so much Dave my friend. Pick Baby will be over the moon with these in his toolkits. So thank you again. And if you are newbies guys to Locksport, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.